Data-driven personalization uses data, analytics, and tech to tailor experiences, messages, and products to customers based on their preferences and interactions with the brand. The positive outcomes of personalization are enormous. 91% of consumers are more likely to shop with brands that recognize, remember, and provide relevant offers and recommendations. So what type of data should you use to drive personalization? Demographic data. This type of data revolves around the quantifiable characteristics of your audience. It answers the question, who are your customers? Some common demographic data types include age, geographical location, household composition, or birthday. Psychographics. This type of data is about understanding the why. It aims to answer the question, why do your customers make certain choices? Some psychographic factors include interests, hobbies, values, and lifestyle. Behavioral data. This type of data provides insights into customer behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. Some behavioral types of data include purchase behavior, browsing behavior, purchase history, abandoned cart data, and email engagement behavior. Data-driven personalization is important for brands striving to elevate customer experiences and drive loyalty and growth. By collecting customer data and implementing personalized strategies across channels, brands can deliver more relevant and meaningful interactions.